San Francisco issued another special marine warning. Right there. What the heck is wrong with them? Like, literally, what the heck?
The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service.
And Sacramento already expired the tornado warning.
A special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California, out to 10 nautical miles until 5 p.m.
All right.
Before 26 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near
There, another special marine warning.
Waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Dude.
Safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts.
What the heck?
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous
Literally.
seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Dude, what the heck?